Hello guys, welcome to Haunted Zombie Beginner Series Part 11. In this lecture, we will talk about the cool things like user interface and the second cam which I have created. We will switch between first two cams. So let's go to Unity and let's see the cool stuff. Okay, here is the two cam. The first one is cam 1, which is this one, and the second one is this one. Okay, now what? I will assign the priority to it because it's the main menu cam, and the second one will be, this will be 10, the first one will be 11, like this. And now what? Now I will create an empty game object, reset it, and assign the name to it, main menu. Here will be main menu stuff. Now what? Now I will create an canvas which is used for UI stuff in Unity 3D. And here are the settings. You can see, just I will change this one. The resolution will be 720 and 1280. Now that's fine. Now what? Now I will create here the UI, here the text, images, buttons, sliders. There are a lot of things. I will create an raw image and I will assign the name to it, title, like this. And now I will go to desktop and drag these files to Unity. I have created in Photoshop, and you can also create it. That's not so difficult. Just for learning purposes I have created these. So drag these files to Unity assets here. It will take a little bit time. Here it is, zombie game PNG. Now these all are the sprites. I will change it to textures because I have used the raw image. You can also take a raw image. The difference between raw image and simple image is that it take texture and the image take a sprite. So remove this one and title. Okay, now the title is what? Here is the game title, like this, and you can see it's a very small. Now set native size means the original size of image. You can see the original size is 810 477 and here is the 100. So when you will click this one, it will convert it to original size. Now scale down, little bit up. That's fine. Now the second thing is button, the play button. I will use this one. I will also drag the sprite here and this one. That's nice, but little bit scaled up, like this, and position will be down like this. Okay, it's looking cool. Now the last thing is I will duplicate my player object and drag it here, assign the name to it, player. Okay, and remove these scripts like this one, this one, this one, and the rigid body, and I will just use the idle animation of it. So now what? Now I will assign the position to it. The position is 0.35 because I have already calculated. I will not waste any time. Okay, here is the position. Now I will play and you will see. Here is the actual player. Here is the actual player. Okay, that's looking great. When the user will press play, then everything will work. You can see when I will press play, it's jumping. But don't worry about that. We'll go to code and resolve all these problems. Open up this script, same like the old one. I will create a function and one bool variable like enter in game. Again, data encapsulation bool is enter in game. By default it will be false, and here I have missed this one. Now that's fine. And the same I will create a public function player enter in game. Okay, when player enter in game, then is enter in game will be true. Okay, now go to here properties. I will create a property like public bool, and again camel casing is enter in game. It's not a function. Use a getter like this, return statement, and the name of the variable. Okay, now that's fine. Now what? Now I have to create, I can also create a main menu logic in game manager, but I don't want to create any kind of mess. So I will create a separate UI manager where I will handle just UI stuff. UI manager. Now that's it, and I will apply this script to my game manager. Okay, now what? I will remove all of these functions, create public void play game. Okay, now I will use one namespace which is the Cinemachine, because I want to also switch the cam. So don't worry about that, I will explain it. So first of all, I will create a game object, because the game object variable has a definition of set active true and false. Main menu panel. Okay, and now I will create virtual cams, Cinemachine, or just when I will press virtual cam like this. The first one is main menu cam and the second one is gameplay cam. Okay, now what? When the user will press a play button, then what will happen? First of all, main menu panel will be false. The next thing will be what? The next thing will be gameplay cam dot priority is equal to the current priority of main menu cam dot priority plus 2. So that's a generic things. You can see the by default cam is main cam, and now I will switch to gameplay cam. When the player will press a play button, the priority of gameplay cam is equal to the current priority of main menu cam and the add 2 values into it. So this cam will be prior. Now what? Now I have to call the game manager dot instance dot player enter in game. Okay, now I have to go to this logic, the player logic here, and what? Game manager dot instance dot is enter in game. Now that's fine. Now the real player will not jump unless the all things in play is not happened here. So that's cool. The second problem with the moving objects. What's the problem with moving objects? Like here, I will use same logic and game manager dot instance dot is enter in game. If enter in game, then the platform will move, otherwise it will be stopped. So let's go to Unity and you will see the cool stuff. Okay, here are the 3 variables. The first cam, the main menu cam is the first cam, the gameplay cam is the second cam, here is the second cam, and the first cam is here, and here is the panel like this. So let's see what happened. Platform is not moving. Okay, that's fine. And the rocks also not moving. When I will press play, you will see the cam will be switched smoothly. No? Why? Okay, I have not called this function to my play button. Here it is, game manager, UI manager, and the play game. Play game. Okay, now check it. Okay, let's play. First time the user will not jump unless his all disappear. Okay, the user is still here and the rocks are also. When I will press a key or mouse button down, you will see everything will move. Now everything is moving. But that's not cool. You will see when I will hit with rock. Okay, everything is stopped. And you have checked all of these. I have created it with the help of logic. So you can also create and you can modify my code. I have also modified by learning from another tutorials. So logic or the coding is the name of practice, so practice over and over. So today lecture is done. In next lecture we will talk about player preps and collecting coins and store it to any variable and a lot of things. And please now like, share and subscribe my channel, and goodbye for now.